This is the area I need to focus on today. Only a few weeks ago it was weed free. The next job is dismantle and paint. Everything's been painted, now it needs lining and screwing together. I'm giving up, it's too hot. It's 32 degrees C and I spend more time having breaks than I do actually working, but I did get something done which I'll show you in a minute. But before I go, I just want to say thank you to Ali at My Rusty Garden. Provided me with some reassurance on why I do this. So, thank you Ali, and until the next time, bye bye. It's starting to look the way I want it to now. There's still a lot more to do. I still need to put some more bark down between the beds, but they're all painted, screwed together, ready for growing next year. I do need to get them covered though, before the weeds return.